a great learning experience at Toy Based Pedagogy South Indian Conference. There we learned a new way of preparing face masks for puppetry. Using the plaster of Paris bandage. Take this bandage and cut it into strips like this. These strips are bigger in size and we must also cut into smaller pieces like this. Now strips are ready for preparing the mask. Here are two teachers who are ready for demonstrating how to make the masks. Initially, we must apply coconut oil on the face of the participants. See that we have enough amount of coconut oil on the face so that the mask will not get stuck after it is prepared. Now, dip the plaster of Paris strips in water and paste them carefully on the face of the participant who came for demonstration. Cover the face properly, cover the eyes, cover the mouth, cover the nose, but do not cover the nostrils of the person who is sitting there for demonstration. Do the entire process very slowly and neatly so that every part of the face is covered properly, leaving only the nostrils. To get a thicker layer, paste the strips on the face once again and see that the entire face is covered properly and with even thickness. If you find there are any discrepancies or any part of the face is not covered properly, try to conceal it with small bandage strips that we have prepared already. Observe the process carefully how the participants are attaching the strips one by one, not to close the nostrils. Wherever needed, apply some water so that the plaster of Paris bandage is completely stuck, and finally take care to shape the nose properly. See that the bridge of the nose is in proper shape. Use your fingers and shape the nose as per the structure of the nose of the participant sitting over there. Look here, the two masks are all ready and now it is time for us to wait and see that they get dried up properly. Now it's time to demask the mask off the face of the participant. So begin by unmasking the mask from the upper part of the face slowly, and here you can see how the mask came off very beautifully. Look here, we have two different masks made by two participants. Now it's time to cover the nostrils with small strips of the bandage cloth like this. This is the final output. We can give realistic appearance to the mask by painting the face with skin color, eyes, mouth and demarking them with proper colors. Just try it for your students in the classroom and see the difference these toys can make in the classroom. What do you say, friends? Coloring the mask can create something beautiful like this.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for notifications of Classroom TV.